Hi everyone, this is the fifth video of our blog writing series where we will discuss about on-page SEO, and I will also show you practically how you can start implementing that on your content. So if you haven't seen our previous videos, then I will highly recommend you to first watch that videos. The link is in description or you can click on the above I button. So let's get started with our first today's topic. Then what is an on-page SEO? So if I define on-page SEO in simple words, I would say it is the steps or measures that an individual or a company take to increase the ranking of its blog or website on search engine results. So it is used to optimize your page on search results. That's why it's known as on-page SEO. Now you might be thinking, what are those steps? Every content writer has their own checklist before writing their content. And this checklist is nothing but research by an individual about the Google SEO ranking patterns. And the interesting thing here is every content writer's checklist is almost 99% the same. So you don't need to do your own research on that. And not only this, if you are writing for Techofide, then you must know we have defined an SEO guidelines on our website that will work as a checklist for you. So enough intro with on-page SEO. Let's see how practically you can implement on-page SEO on your content. So here is a sample blog which I have written to show you how you can implement on-page SEO on your blogs. So this is our H1 heading. What is SEO keyword? Then this is a slug, a category, description, and our all content. So I am just maximizing that, and let's see the steps which you have to follow. Do a best research for a high search volume keywords. So before writing a blog, our first task is to make a list of high ranked keywords, and for that you need to do a keyword research. So if you don't know how to do that, what are keywords, then please check my previous video. The link is in description or you can also click on the above I button. So I have made a list of keywords that we have searched on our previous video. Now let's see how to stuff that in your blog. So here is the list. These are some keywords which we have taken when we did a keyword research. So this is our primary keyword, what is SEO keywords, then SEO works is a secondary keyword, then these are our other secondary keywords. So let's see how we can stuff that keywords. So here first I have used the primary keyword, what is SEO keyword, as a title of my blog. So we have to use that first, then you can stuff that keyword in your blog's other section. So if we just search for what is SEO keyword, then see it's showing 6 times. So 6 times I have used this here, here, and if we move further downward, then you see and the end of the blog. So I have used 6 times primary keyword, which is the most important thing of your blog. Try to use secondary keyword in your primary keyword for blog title. So we need to use both primary keyword and secondary keyword in our H1 title. So let's see how we can use that. So as you can see, this is my primary keyword, but is SEO keywords, which we already use in our title, and our secondary keyword is SEO works, but we have not used right now. So let's see how we can use that. So this is our primary keyword, but is SEO keywords. So let's use secondary keyword with that, so it will give us a good ranked title. So just type here what is keywords and how SEO works. Just write it. So as you can see, SEO works is a secondary keyword, and I have also implemented how SEO works. So this is our secondary and primary keyword incorporation. Include your primary keyword in slug. So as you can see, this is our slug field. So always try to make your title and make your slug same. So what you need to do here, you just need to copy the thing as it, and if there is spaces, then just remove with that. So this will be our slug. So make sure your title and your slug will be same. Try to distribute your primary keyword in first, middle, and last of the paragraph. As you know, our keyword is right now what is SEO keywords. So here you can see how I use that. I have used in our first paragraph, then you can say after that I have used 3 times, then it is the middle of my blog, then it is the end of my blog. Maintain 0.5% of primary keyword density in your blog. So for an example, let's suppose I have a write a blog of 1000 word. That then 0.5% of that blog will be 4 to 5. That is, I have to use my primary keyword 4 to 5 times in 1000 words of blog. And we already see my keyword is appearing 6 times. So it is a good thing. So just remember 0.5% depend on your content. If it is 4000, then the keyword will be you have to use for 9 to 10 times. So it depends on the content of your blog. Try to use primary keyword in one or more subheadings. So not only you need to make your title with both primary and secondary keyword, you also need to include your primary keyword in subheading, that is H2. So as you can see here, our what is SEO keyword is our primary keyword and this is our subheading. So I have already used in my subheading. Then if we move downward, then you can see how SEO works. This is again our part of primary keyword and I also have mentioned in our subheading. So like that, you can mention in your further subheadings according to your content. Maintain secondary keyword density 0.2 to 0.5% in your blog post. So if you are using primary keyword 4 to 5 times, then try to use your secondary keyword at least 3 to 4 times in your blog. That will be the middle between 0.2 to 0.5%. So if I show you practically how I use, so how SEO works is my secondary keyword. So see here how SEO works. I have used 5 times and you can use it anywhere. Also you can make it secondary keyword as a subheading. So I have used 4 to 5 times. So like that, you also need to use your secondary keywords according to the checklist which I am discussing with you. Use your keywords for alt text of your images. So many people who write blogs, they not focus on that, but it is an important thing. So whenever we insert images in our blog, then it is very important to apply names for that images, which is known as alternative text. So always include keyword in your alt text. It means, let's suppose I have applied that image. Now, what is the alt text of an image? So the alt text of an image is something how to map SEO keyword and anything else. But our guideline says don't use this one. Use the keyword. So here the keyword we have used in what is SEO keyword. So always use the keyword in your alt text. So this is the keyword in our alt text. Like same you can follow for other images. Like for this image you can apply how to SEO works as a alt text, and for this one there is no image. For this image again what is SEO backlink will be your alt text. So make sure apply good alt text with good SEO keyword in your blogs. Use primary keyword in your SEO title. So this is an important field to rank your blog in search results. So always try to make your SEO title catchy so people are convinced to click on your blog. But if you are writing blog for Techofide, then you can leave that thing on us. So anyone who is new to Techofide and want to join us, they can click on description to check the procedure, and also can join our WhatsApp group. Link is in description. Try to use your all important keyword in description. So you need to use your primary and secondary keywords in description. So like your blog's body, your description is also important. So this is the description of our blog. So please try to use your keywords, your secondary keywords inside the description and use as much as you can. But make it sound natural. So when your blog published and rank on Google, so this will be your SEO title, like depend on your blog, and this is the description which is shown in the search results. So that's why make it more catchy, and always use your keywords so that it will be easy to rank on Google. And also the people who check, they can know what are the most important things in your blog so that they will convince to click on your blog. Use short paragraphs. So as I told you on my first video of that series, you need to give a good structure of your blog with only one H1 heading in one blog, which will be your title, and further for subheadings you can use H2, H3, and try to not use H4 until it's important. And according to point, you just need to use shorter paragraphs instead of longer paragraphs. As you can see in this blog, this is just a two line of paragraph, then a single line, then again I have breaked in short paragraphs. So break in short paragraphs make your readability of your blog is good. Use H1 for title, H2, H3 for further subheadings. So again the same thing as I told you, your H1 heading is your title. Here is your title, and then after that you can use H2 headings, like this is your H2 heading, what is SEO keyword, then what is SEO works. And if you feel you need to make one more subheading under that, then you can use H3 after that. So H1, then H2, then H3, then further H4. So like that, this is the hierarchy which you have to follow. Highlight only important words. So try to highlight that words which you want your readers will see and take it as important, because it increase your readability experience. So it depends on your content. If you feel there are some words that need to be like highlighted, you can make them highlighted. And please don't unnecessarily make your words bold and italic. Just highlight that words as a bold or as a italic if you want your readers have to see that. Make your description catchy. So not only stuffing keyword in description will make it better, you also need to mention few lines that would catchy, and whenever any user came to see the search results, they are convinced to open only your blog instead of others. So also try to make it shorter and catchy. Improve page speed. So if you are an individual who is not writing blog for us or is writing blog for their own or their own website, then this thing is very important. So the loading speed of your page is an important, because it's depend on your ranking, and it's give a great impact on your ranking, because Google only rank those pages which load faster. So the tip, always try to use small size images or either compressed in your blog. If you are writing for Techofide, then you don't need to worry about that. Our backend team will handle the page speed. Improve bounce rate. So to improve bounce rate, you need to mention internal links in your blog. So when any user come, they will not just read your blog and get back. They can also see some related link so that they can go from your one blog to another blog, and that will improve your bounce rate. So as you can see here, I have mentioned some internal links, like this is you, if you want to check this blog, just click on keyword research tool. So this is an internal link. I have second blog, so if user reading this blog and if he'll click here, then he will move to my another blog. And always try to make link open in new tab, not in the same window. Then again, if you move downward, here again I am showing you an external link. External link is also important. Also mention only one link, an external link. It can be in the middle of your blog or it can be in the end of your blog. Also I have also seen here some related blogs. These are other blogs which is made by me, and if user came and he want to see related blogs, he just click here. So like this you can improve the bounce rate of your blog. So these are my on checklist which I have shared with you. So just follow that checklist carefully and I am 100% sure you will see the results. So if you want to check that checklist in documentation form, you can just go to our website, then just click on right section. Here we have mentioned SEO guidelines. So these are the same guidelines which I have discussed, and there are some other things in much more detail. So if you are eager to develop a blog, then you can just see that guidelines. So this is how you can apply on-page SEO in your blogs and improve the ranking into your Google search results. So if you feel any help, you can check description link, join our group and ask anything you want. For now, thanks for watching this video. If you like that video, then just click on like button, subscribe our channel and please show your support.